Today we are going to see about fish spoilage and causative factors. Fish spoilage. Fish spoilage occur when fish undergo chemical and microbial change, making them unsafe or unpalatable to consume. Factors contributing to spoilage include temperature, time, and exposure to oxygen. Proper storage and handling, such as refrigeration and freezing, can help delay spoilage. If fish smell bad, has off-putting texture, or display unusual coloration, it's best to discard it to avoid foodborne illness. Type of fish spoilage. Fish can spoil in several ways with different type of spoilage affecting their quality and safety. Here are some common type of fish spoilage: microbial spoilage, chemical spoilage, enzymatic spoilage, physical spoilage, and sensory spoilage. Microbial spoilage. Bacteria, yeast, and molds can proliferate on fish, leading to off flavors, unpleasant odors, and visual changes like slimness or discolorations. Chemical spoilage. Lipid oxidation can cause fish to develop a rancid or fishy odor and flavor due to breakdown of fat. This is more common in fatty fish. Enzymatic spoilage. Enzyme in fish tissue can continue to work after the fish is caught, leading to texture change, such as softening or messiness. Physical spoilage. Freezer, burn, or dehydration can occur when fish is improperly stored, leading to texture deterioration and loss of moisture. Sensory spoilage. Change in color, odor, texture, and taste are indicators of sensory spoilage and suggest that the fish is no longer safe or pleasant to eat. Causative organism of fish spoilage. The organism can grow on fish and leads to various forms of spoilage. Here are some common causative organism of fish spoilage: bacteria, yeast, mold, histamine producing bacteria, lipolytic bacteria. Causative factors of fish spoilage. Fish spoilage can occur due to various factors, and while microorganisms are primarily cause, other factors can contribute to the spoilage process. Here are some factors that can cause fish spoilage. Temperature. Temperature abuse both during storage and transportation is a significant factor in fish spoilage. Fish should be stored appropriate temperature to slow down the microbial growth and enzymatic reaction. Higher temperature accelerate the spoilage. Oxygen exposure. Exposure to oxygen can lead to oxidative spoilage, causing fish to develop of flavors and odor. Packing method that limit oxygen exposure, such as vacuum sealing, can help to prevent this. Time. The longer fish is stored, the greater the change of spoilage. Freshness deteriorates over time, leading to change in texture and flavor. Hygiene and cross-contamination. Poor hygiene during handling, processing, or storage can introduce harmful microorganisms to fish, accelerating spoilage. Cross-contamination with contaminated surface or equipment can also be a factor. Water content. The moisture content in fish is crucial. Excess moisture can lead to bacterial growth and textural change. Proper drainage and drying of fish are essential. Freezer ban. Improper freezing and storage in a freezer can cause freezer ban, resulting in texture change and dehydration of fish. Chemical contamination. Chemical contaminants such as heavy metal or pesticide can lead to spoilage and make fish unsafe for consumption. Inadequate processing. Improper processing techniques such as incomplete cutting or removal of scale can contribute to spoilage and the development of flavors. Conclusion. To prevent fish spoilage, it is crucial to control these factors and processing techniques, as well as maintaining strict hygiene standards throughout the fish supply chain. Thank you.